Hello everyone and welcome to a new video about C++. Okay, so in last tutorial we talked about the cout function and the configuration of Visual C++. Okay, in this video we'll talk about variables. Variables is a number or an character or something else in the computer's memory, RAM. Okay, so for example, if I have two numbers, A and B, okay, A equal 1 and B equal 2. Okay, next, for example, I want to add these two numbers and to save in memory the sum. Okay, so it's very easy. We'll say sum equal A plus B, sum equal 1 plus 2, sum equal 3. The sum is the sum of these two numbers. Okay, so I can very easy add these two numbers and to obtain a sum. Okay, and if I want to, because our sum is 3, we want to make it with one more, so we can do sum plus 1 equals sum. For example, here sum equal sum plus 1, sum equal 3 plus 1, sum equal 4. Okay, and let's see our programs. Okay, so I'm here back to desktop and let's start the program. So yes, let's open our compiler. Very easy. Here I have installed my compiler and we are waiting to open it. Okay, if you don't understand what I am doing here, watch my first video, but I think you'll understand, so let's do it. Okay, again a new project, empty project, and the name will be variabiles. Sorry for my keyboard because it's very noisy, but I haven't what to do. And I know that my last video wasn't very good, but yeah, we are waiting. Okay, again on the source file, add new item, C++, okay, and let me make the program. Okay, so I'm back with our last program. Okay, that's we talked about in first video. Now let's see some variables. For example, if I want to have in memory a number, we'll type here int and its name. For example, n. Okay, int like main, but here it's about a function and here it's about a variable. Okay, for example, and we want this n be n is no, let's have the variables from example. For example, a equal 1, b equal 2, and let's show them on the screen. Okay, let me see. Okay, so You remember that here in cout we wrote the message in quotes, but when we want to write variables on a screen line, we wouldn't use quotes. For example, if I want to show A, I'll type here A, and if I want to see B, okay, so now it will, you remember that ANDL means the end line, okay, and now if I compile that, will show me on screen hello world 1 and 2, and press any key to continue. Yes. We're waiting. And you see here hello world 1, 2, press any key to continue. Okay, so we have two variables in our RAM, and we show them with cout like a message. Press any key to continue, hello world. Okay, now we talked about the sum of them. Okay, we must declare it here, sum with characters, okay, and we'll see sum equal A plus B, and we'll cout sum. Okay, so we added these two numbers and they show on the screen. A equal 1 here, B equal 2 here, and sum equal A plus B here. Okay? Okay. You get it. I'm sure. Nothing. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we talked about to make sum equal sum plus 1. Okay, so let's do it here, and sum equal sum plus 1, and it will show on the screen. No, I forgot to write cout sum and yeah. Okay, you see that it's boring to write every time ANDL, so it would be better if I write /n, but no problem. Okay, so you see it says here hello world 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 A equal 1, 2 B equal 2, sum equal A plus B, so yeah, and sum equal sum plus 1, so sum equal 4. Okay, and let's talk about characters. Yeah, a character is very easy. For example, we can write everything we want, like, I don't know. Okay, so how do we declare a character? Very easy. We'll write here char, like here, and the name of the variable will be string. I don't know why, but yeah, and it must be a character. For example, we want to be A, and we want that character show on the screen. Okay, so then you write a, b, sum and sum plus 1 will show on the screen that string. Okay, so it will show on the screen that character from here. Yeah, you see, hello world, 1 a equal 1, b equal 2, sum equal a plus b, so equals 3, and sum equal sum plus 1, so sum equal 4, and now we showed the character on the screen. But if we don't want to show only a character, we want sometimes to show we want to show words, okay? So we can do here with quotes, yeah, and we'll text here message hello characters, and here we must do that, yeah, and here it will must show that message. Okay, yeah, and it says hello world 1 and now and our text here. Okay, and we say here our message, and we said here show this message. Okay, and we go back to numbers. Sometimes we don't want to work with integer numbers. Sometimes we want to work with real numbers. So if we want to work with real numbers, we must declare them like that, with float and the name of the variable. Let's see, version equal 1.1. okay, and we'll write there no program version okay, so we can show 1.1 on screen like that. Let's see, yes, and it works. Look, here it says hello world, here the a variable equal 1, b variable equal 2, sum equal 3, sum plus 1 equal 4, and here our string here, and program version 1.1 because that's a real number. Okay, so that's everything you must know about variables right now, and yeah, it's enough for you. In next tutorial I think I'll talk about if instruction or for, I don't know what I'll do, but I'll think, and see you soon. Don't kill anybody, and goodbye.